it a little bit of danger that we seek? Walking closer to the edge than we really should. Why do we let our hearts back out there time and time again? Is it looking for a home and a happy end? And we fight like gladiators, never mind about the failures. Fall down and rise again, fall down and rise again. And we roll the dice, roll the dice. Still we roll the dice, still we roll the dice. Still we look for the special someone to make us whole. Nothing could stop us, babe, we're fueled by hope. And in a time and age where love has come to die, we're taking another step and hope to fly. And we fight like gladiators, never mind about the failures. Fall down and rise again, fall down and rise again. And we roll the dice, roll the dice. Still we roll the dice, yeah. Still we roll the dice. Push that stone right atop that hill. Watch it tumble down, then we try again. Push that stone right atop that hill. Watch it tumble down, then we try again. And we roll the dice, yeah, we roll the dice. Still we roll the dice, yeah. Still we roll the dice. 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 Still we. Yeah, yeah. Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we a pair? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, 'cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me.
Here's another beautiful bag made from remnants celebrating Black History Month. So this came out beautifully. I've lined it inside. On the bottom it's got waterproof, and on the side this nice fluffy fabric. So these are beautiful remnants which I get from surplus stock from factories where they've cut items in their factories and they don't need to use the remaining fabrics. So I return all these to make different things, like what I'm just making here, which is a tote bag, or I can make dresses out of them. So it's a beautiful way of remaining zero waste business. So follow for more and check out what else I make.
Situations left you lonely, Try to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss that spot. It's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me.